Okay, so it's a beautiful February day. I mean, like beautiful, beautiful. And with that, I'm outside messing around, anything to avoid house chores. So we're taking down this lean-to. And when I say lean-to, like you call it that because, you know, it's higher in the front than it is the back, kind of leans. This bad boy gives a whole new definition to lean-to. I mean, just look how straight this here post is. Oh, this poor thing. You can't cock your head sideways and still make it straight. I mean, it's just bad. So anyhow, stepping in here. You can see it's held together by toothpicks and posts now. I mean, it's a hazard. It's got to come down. Pack of the boards is missing. Meat birds lived in here at the end. And then clearly, it's just gotten rougher. So we're going to start taking this thing down. I mean, wow. Part of the roof is missing. Yeah, this thing is not safe even to mess around in. So it's going to be super fun. I was thinking about just giving it a shove and burning it. But honestly, some of these boards, the boards, not the posts, clearly the posts have seen way better days. Some of these boards are still semi-usable, and I gotta build a new pig pen because the pigs keep outsmarting me. So I gotta get on that there some too. So anyhow, we're gonna start taking this old girl down. Maya's itching to kick boards. Hopefully it don't, oh, it might fall on her head. Well, it's gonna come down on you. Might want to just use the, oh, okay, whoa, it walked. Get out of there. I am. Not safe, not safe. That is the lean-to. Yeah, see it lean? Whoop. Even if you do this, it still don't make it straight. You know, it's definitely cockeyed. It's that That one has a screw stripped in it, so you'll have to beat it off with the hammer. That works too. Out. Outside, so you don't get whacked with the building when it falls on you. No, gotta whack it right where it's. I don't know what the crap that was. Whack it right where the screw's stuck at. Trust me, it ain't gonna take much to pop it out of that board. Look how rotted they are. Okay, with all of our other chores, we managed to get 2 walls off. So, yeah, we're getting there. It's a hazard. We've hurt ourselves a couple times because we don't pay attention because we're not carpenters. You know, mostly get flicked in the face by a branch or whatever, which is really dumb because they're baby trees. But whatever. Anyhow, we got 2 walls off. True homesteader fashion. We're trying to salvage the ones that look good still because, well, you use what you got and you reuse what you got. So that's what we're fixing to do. We're going to reuse these to work on the pig pen, like I said earlier. But yeah, we're getting there. Now if it falls, it won't be as heavy. So when you get to this point in your building teardown, you got to get creative when it's in shape like this. I mean, I can't even explain to you how bad it is. So we're gonna try something stupid. So stay tuned. Oh my. I need more butt behind me, Maya. I did. Okay, I was hoping to push it